myself Akshata dear Achar. I am from Ramanagara. I have completed my BCA in MH Institute of Management Science with a percentage of 85%. I have came for this JSPIDER in the month of November, where it is a good platform to build our career. I have learned I have took full stack developer. Then I have learned Java, SQL, HTML, CSS as well as JavaScript. Here the trainers are very friendly. They can repeat you the things very easily. You will be understanding each and every concept. I like to thank every trainers who has been gave me a support to build my career. Then coming to we have here the presentations are very well. We have to do a presentation where it is most helpful for us. Then mock interviews, grooming session, everything has been very helpful to build our career. Then finally I have to thank everyone for giving the best support to build my career. Thank you.